Real estate investing for beginners. How to start it? Real estate investing is one of the best way to build wealth and create passive income, but many beginners feel overwhelmed and don't know where to start. If you have ever thought about investing in real estate but did not take action because it seems too complicated, this video is for you. I will break down real estate investing in a simple way. How? So that even a complete beginners can understand. By the end of this video, you will have a step by step guide to buying your first investment property. Why invest in real estate? Real estate is one of the safest and most profitable investment. Unlike a stock, real estate gives you control over your investment. Here are some of the biggest benefits. First is cash flow. You earns money every month from rent and applications. Property values increase over times, making you more money. And tax benefits. You can deduct mortgage interest, property tax, and other expenses. And fourth is leverage. You can buy a property with a loan, meaning you don't need all the money upfront. And financial freedom. Over time, rental income can replace your 9 to 5 job. And step 1 is understanding different types of real estate investing. Before you start, you need to understand different real estate investment strategies. First is rental properties. Buying properties to rent them out of passive incomes. House flipping. Buying a property, fixing it up, and selling it for a profit. Real estate investment trust. Investing in real estate without owning physical property. Short term rentals. Renting out property on a short term basis. Wholesaling. Finding properties under market value and selling them to investor. For beginners, rental properties are the best option because they provide long-term incomes and stability. And step 2 is checking your finance. Before buying a property, you need to check your finance situation. First is credit score. A higher credit score help you get better loan rates. Saving. You need more money for a down payment, closing cost, and emergency expenses. And debt to income ratio. Lenders check this before approving loans, so paying off debt help. Most lenders require at least a 20% down payment for an investment property, but there are financing options that let you buy with less money down. And step third is choosing the right location. Location is the most important factor in real estate investing. A great property in a bad areas won't make you money. Look for areas with job growth, population growth, low crime rates, good school, and high rental demands. Use websites like Zillow, Redfine, and Realtor.com to research property price and rental rates. And step 4 is finding a good investment property. A good investment property should generate positive cash flow. That means the rent you collect should be higher than your expenses. Here is what to look for in a rental property. First is affordability. Don't buy a property that's too expensive. Low maintenance. Avoid property that need major repairs and rental demands. Choose an area where people want to rent. And 1% rules. The monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. Check real estate websites. Work with real estate agents and attend auctions to find good deals. And step 5 is financing your first property. Most investors don't buy property with cash. Instead, they use financing options like first is conventional loans, best for those with good credits and stable incomes. FHA loans, low down payments but only if you live in one unit. And hard money loans, short term loans with higher interest rates. And private lenders, borrowing money from investor instead of banks. Compare interest rate and choose the best financing option for your situation. And step 6 is analyzing the deal. Before making an offer, you need to analyze the property's financials. The key numbers to check are: first is purchase price. How much does the property cost? And rental income. How much rent can you charge? And expenses. Mortgage, taxes, insurance, repairs, and maintenance. Cash flow, the money left after paying all expenses. A property with positive cash flow is a good investment. And step 7 is making an offer and closing the deal. Once you find a property, make an offer. Work with a real estate agent to negotiate the best price. Always get a property inspection to check for hidden problems. Once your offer is accepted, you will need to go through the closing process, which include signing legal document and finalizing your mortgage. And step 8 is managing your rental property. After buying the property, you need to manage it. Screen tenants, check their credits, income, and rental history. Set composite rents, look at rental price in your areas, and maintain the property. Fix problem quickly to keep tenants happy. You can manage the property yourself or hire a property management company to handle everything. And step 9 is scaling and growing your portfolio. Once your first rental property is successful, you can buy more. Many investors use the BRRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat to grow their portfolio. The more property you own, the closer you get to financial freedom through passive income. Real estate investing is one of the best way to build wealth, and anyone can do it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more real estate investing tips. Let me know in the comment if you are planning to invest in real estate this year.